Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 42 cents more. Automotive diesel will increase $2.03 and ultra-low sulfur diesel is up $2.37. Kerosene will cost $2.50 more. Propane is down $1.41 while butane will go up by 25 cents. And oil futures traded higher today. Oil for delivery in January is up $1.14 to settle at $46.05 per barrel. Manufacturers across the region joined forces today to launch the CARICOM Manufacturers Association, CMA. Deputy President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Jerome Miles, says regional manufacturers can now target a larger share of the global market.
Whilst we compete locally, regionally, and some internationally, we must realize that the individual member state, as an individual member states and as a region, we only have a small part of global market share. Together, I believe we can and must do better in increasing our regional and international resilience and competitiveness.
The CMA's goal is to collaborate as a unified voice to address issues faced by producers in CARICOM, but Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith suggested that the new regional organization consider collaboration beyond its lobbying efforts.
Role in developing strategies beyond an advocacy role to address the region's production-related challenges, and furthermore, to identify and leverage opportunities within the real economy. I want to also commend to the CMA the pursuit of greater cooperation in agro-industrial type activities as the single greatest area of need currently within the regional productive sector as we all deal with the issue of food security within the region.
The association will be chaired by President of the Barbados Manufacturers Association, Robert Noel. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.03. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.53. The pound closed at $196.87, while the euro is going for $178.81. The JSE index gained 3,018 points today, while the junior market index lost 70 points. Among the winners were Sterling Investments, Grace Kennedy, CAC 2000, 138 Student Living, and Siboney Group. Now on the losing side were Fossrich, Express Catering, Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, and Jetcon Corporation. That's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.